I'm playing this piano piece, I'm not actually reading any music. I basically have the melody in my head and I really think chords. So the way I'm going to teach you this song is using chords. So we will identify all the chords that are used in the song, and then I kind of go off on my own little tangent and just add as I'm going. So I'll show you what I do. Watch closely. Feel free to pause the tape when you need to and see if you can play along. Let's think chords first. The song begins with A minor, da, 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 and then A minor, then E major, then A minor, and then it starts again. A minor, E major, and then A minor. That's the first part. The second part goes to C, and then to G, and then A minor, and then to E. Then it goes back to the first part. A minor, and then E major, and then A minor. Does it again. A minor, then E major, and then A minor. Now, in the middle, just for fun, to change it up a little bit, I went from an A minor down to F. And back to an A minor. And then I did again down to F. And then sometimes I arpeggiate. An arpeggio is when you take the chord and you break it up. All right? And what sounds really nice is when you add ninths. So like E, G sharp, B, E, and then get this F sharp in it. That adds the ninth. So take your E major chord and add this one right here, F sharp. That adds a lot to it. And then it goes back to A minor. Here's the melody in the right hand. One more time. Now, when I'm playing it, I'm adding a left hand too. A minor chord, G, E minor, and then Begin with the melody. A minor, and then E major, back to A minor. I'm using an inversion, and inversion is when I put, instead of A, C, E, I have E, A, C. And then it goes to a C chord, I'm using the inversion, to a G chord, then to A minor, then to an E, and here I'm going to add all the ninths. And then get a couple E's, A minor, E major, A minor, E major, A minor. Now the middle bridge, I go F. And then back to an A minor. And I'm adding ninths on that. And then F. A minor. And back to the beginning. A minor, then E major, A minor, A minor, E major, and then to A minor. And there you have it.